Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'll be sharing eco-friendly lighting and gifting ideas for Diwali which are very affordable to make. So without any further ado, let's get into the making. For the first DIY I am using these kind of diyas and I'll be painting these with acrylic colors. Here I am using yellow and blue acrylic color. I painted 4 diyas with the same color and I am placing these on a cardboard covered with green paper. To make it look more attractive, I am using 3D cone liner and I am making some random designs on the cardboard sheet. Now you can paste all of these 4 diyas in the cardboard sheet and that's it. You are ready to gift these beautiful diyas to your family and friends with some sweets. For the next DIY, I am taking this matki and I am coloring it with black acrylic color. And now I am using bronze metallic color and will be taking a little amount of it on my finger and will be dabbing it on the matki. I am doing this to give it a metallic look. In a similar way, I have painted 4 of these. Now I am pouring melted wax in this. And I am placing a wick inside the matki. And if you want to gift these, then you can place these on a cardboard sheet and this will make a very classy and beautiful gifting option. The third gifting option, I am making a candle stand, and for that I am taking this molded clay and mixing the harder and the resin by rolling it between my palms until it gets white. Now I'm using powder and will be rolling this clay with the help of a rolling pin. Now I'm taking a steel glass and applying some powder on the glass, and I'm placing the clay as shown in the video. After it is dried, it will look something like this, and now I am painting it with golden color. Now you can place candle in between and your third gifting option is ready. This is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching.